today's Thursday or something. I am gonna be decorating for Christmas.
You better watch out, you better not cry.
Hi, hello, good morning. I'm at Dunkin'. This morning I was like, oh my gosh, I've waited so long compared to the last years to decorate. No, Facebook memories determined. But yeah, I am feeling the holiday cheer already. I hope you enjoy this video. It's gonna be a shorty, so enjoy this upcoming montage. The music in today's video, it's by Tim Miner. I did ask him for permission to use his Christmas music for this video so I wouldn't have that boring, not copyright music. So YouTube, if you're looking at this, please do not copyright me. He said yes, he gave me permission. Well, you guys, as I said, this was a very short video. I really do hope you like my few decorations. They may not be much, but they are something, and I do love them. Just look at this tree. This burned 60 calories putting this tree up. These lights burned about 100 calories. I was using the cool down workout on my watch so that I would know what I was burning. I might do more decorations throughout this month of November or possibly the beginning of December. I do still have a ton of presents I need to wrap, so they're all like shoved in my closet. I only have a few wrapped right here. I love the holiday season. It is my favorite time of year, and so of course I wanted to make a video decorating. Granted, it might be a little early compared to what other people like to do. Some people don't even put their tree up until Thanksgiving, which is wild to me. So I really do hope you like this video. Definitely leave a like if you liked it and comment down below. Have you started decorating yet? If so, what's it looking like? Let me know. Definitely check out Tim Miner's music on Apple Music. He does have a bunch of gospel music as well as some, I believe it's R&B classified, and then some Christmas music. So definitely check that out. The link is in the description below. If you are new to my channel, my name is Itskristiialy. Definitely check out some of my other videos. If you are new here, I do have my most recent video. It is about Taylor Swift and body positivity in general. So definitely check that out. The link will be in my description as well as some other videos. So definitely look into that. Thank you guys again for watching and for leaving your comments and subscribing. I hope you'll have a great week and happy holidays. Merle, what are you doing?